So we're back at the Cosmopolitan Las Vegas. I know I already did a room walkthrough of this room type on my channel before, which would have been last year. But I don't feel like I did it right, and I don't feel like I did it justice, so we're gonna go ahead and shoot this again. This is room 3693. It is a Wraparound Terrace Suite with fountain view. Let's check it out. Walk in, here's your foyer. Now this door here, that is a connecting door. You can book this as a 2-bedroom suite, which would be a 1-bedroom terrace suite connecting to the Wraparound Terrace Suite. Nice entry table, some nice artwork there. Plenty of storage space, which I'm not real sure how that important that is to you, but you got plenty of it if you need it. Walking in here, the first door to your right is your guest bathroom, and it actually is a full bathroom because it does have a very large shower in here as well. And that's just the guest bathroom. It's pretty impressive. So then also you walk in to the room and your little wet bar area. Not quite a kitchen. You do have a sink. You do have a wine fridge. Of course, you've got the mini fridge. It'll cost you a pretty penny. But something that has become rare in Las Vegas these days is actually your own fridge that you can put your own stuff in. And then from there, this is your living area. This will be our second time staying in this room type. And by far, this is probably the best room that we have ever stayed in Vegas. Got a 65-inch TV in the living room. This is your living area. And in here, you will find your master bedroom. King-size bed. The rooms are very well put together as far as decor. Throughout the hotel, really. There's another 65-inch TV here in the bedroom. That does swivel out so that you can watch TV from the bed. And then in here is your master bathroom. It's got a full-size stand-in shower and a large soaking tub. That's big enough for somebody to actually lay down in and chillax for a little while. But you don't really find that a whole lot these days. His and hers sinks. And your water closet over here with toilet. And one of my favorite benefits is it actually has its own independent fart fan. Come on, you know you guys all like that. And here is going to be the master closet. That's where you're going to find your safe, iron, hair dryer, and such. Independent air conditioners, which one for the bedroom and one for the master or the main living area. So these rooms are very nice. They're very well put together. They're comfortable. They're large. I believe the suite itself is 1,200 square feet. But the real star of this room, this room type in particular, is the 480 square foot of wraparound balcony overlooking the beautiful Bellagio fountains.
And he goes, honey, stop being dramatic. You love him. What I would say I do. Are you
Out here you will find my fiance and her best friend, which she will be my wife in about 4 hours.
hungry? Getting there.
Not even gonna say hello, nothing? Hello?
Hi.
Oh, Tiffany said hello. The balcony is huge. There's plenty of space for entertaining. During the day, got a good view of the Cosmo pool. I'm sure you can hear that. But the balcony is the star of the show. If you guys stick around to the end of the video, you will. I'll put some footage in here of the fountains going off at night and the view from up here because it is spectacular. It's absolutely, without a doubt, the best views in the city of Las Vegas. Right here in the Cosmopolitan. The Wraparound Terrace Suite is something to behold, especially with a fountain view.
I found out. Well, you got none of the rest of it. Yeah, it's part of this mission. It's Germany's standing back.
Which way do you leave?
And so I
Oh, we got the perfect spot for you.
If you're wondering if the fountain view is worth the extra money, hopefully this answers your question. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, drop a like down below, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.